Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.